I click. Okay.
How can you have any pudding if you don't swap your meat? Sorry.
All right.
Okay, I'm not even gonna ask. Oh wait, I didn't read the...
You're too young for that song.
Okay, am I now?
Yeah.
Swap out your me characters to get 3 of a kind dressed in matching colors.
I'm going for a plutonium.
Plutonium? 1 point... What is it? 1
We
point...
got AI today.
How many gigawatts was it?
1.21.
5 or 3 sets?
21 gigawatts. We did 5 last time, didn't we?
We did 5 last time.
Do you want to do 5 then?
Well, yeah, you're just getting warmed up with 3.
Good point.
Of course, I'm so horrible at this game, it doesn't really matter. I never get the good stuff, like, stuff's always got, like, well, you have to win stuff. That's the problem.
Swap meet. Check out this game's played. Yes. This game, you go and select 2 sets of 3 me characters, or 3 by 3, which there are 3 sets of... Wait. 2 sets of 3. No. Never mind.
Just
My
read the
head
thing.
hurts.
Wearing yeah, that's what I'm also saying over here. Wait. From 4 in the center, each player picks 1 me to swap with one of his or her own. Player chooses me characters from the middle in the order they placed in the minigame each round. If you manage to get 2 rows of 3 matching me characters, that's a 3 times 2. That's a 6. Once you've played the chosen number of sets, the player with the most points is the winner. Good luck! Ah, run away. We're gonna see a lot of very interesting me's. Because of the ones that I have made. Oh,
What
boy.
does the blue guy do?
Blue guy.
It's just blue.
The white shirt with the blue thing around him.
He's, hey.
Oh, yes!
Hey! Okay. I've not won a...
Will you help me? There we go.
I have not won a single game. Like, I didn't win Globetrot. I didn't win Board Game Island. So I don't know what the heck you guys are complaining about. Oops. I'm not doing good. Never mind. Why isn't... What? Okay, I'm already kind of confused. Okay.
Dad is done already.
You need a big, shiny, bald head.
So then one of your pieces, you can't even tell what the heck is going on. I'm done.
Oh, I finished!
Yes, because everyone else finished. There you go, Dad. You get to have whatever you want now.
Yes! I get to have whatever I want?
Hey, Dad, go get that platinum with your wild.
Yes!
Point to me in the center and press A to select.
Did you say this one's a wild?
No,
Oh,
clear
you're
the front.
clear.
That one you can clear the front and back row of, or back row
No, I could use that one. Look, I got all the ones.
in the middle.
Mm.
So now select a me from the area to swap with. You can pass by pressing the arrow at the bottom. This one.
Got it. I'm gonna get rid of the plutonium guy.
That one. I haven't even checked.
I think it's platinum, not plutonium.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna take this.
It's funner to
I
say.
wanted that one!
Okay, that actually worked out for me.
Oh, I'm last.
Well, I hope you didn't want a yellow.
Maybe the other one's yellow. With the Fu Manchu.
Good old
Can't find my thing.
Oh wait, that's not. Oh wait. Hi.
What color are you?
I'm
Are you green?
You want to help her? Maybe. Oh, there you
There
are.
you go.
Oh.
Ooh, ready, ready.
Oh, you can't really place that
no.
anywhere.
That
Okay.
stinks.
You could have passed. But whatever. Another clear.
Clear!
Greeny with
Won't
creepy
they
one.
move?
What do you mean?
Won't they move?
Oh, I hate this one.
Yeah. Can you follow the? We already did this one on recording. I know we
Alright, follow your balls.
Easy.
did.
Start. If only it was that easy.
Well, they are always in front of you.
Are they?
No.
Sometimes aren't they under you?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Oh, I'm this one over
3. We must be right.
Yes.
That first round is easy. Ha!
Probably
Suckers.
starts doing like the oop as
Good
you
one.
pause it.
I hate it when he does that fake out thing.
That's what I was saying.
Oh,
I think that was this one.
I'm gonna go get the cat quickly.
oh crap.
Hey, buddy, come on. It's okay.
Yes. Yes. What is he doing?
He just falls that thing when he gets bored.
Ooh, I was in time. Oh crap! I didn't see which one I was in. Oh, time to go on or not?
Oh, darn it.
I didn't know which one I was in, Dad. So you might as well.
I thought I was that one.
Yeah! 1 in 4 guess. It would be 1 in 3.
We tied, Dad.
No, wouldn't be either.
Well, I did
Second,
better than I usually do. I
fourth.
usually only get, well, I've never gotten 3.
Oh my gosh.
Ha! What a loser. Pardon.
Last recording. Sorry. That video one. I can't upload this at 4 o'clock because tomorrow, which will be today for you guys.
Nintendo Direct?
Yes,
Direct?
direct.
Drastic, go down!
One to go.
Oh my gosh.
Trey!
Oh God!
Yes!
No! No!
Oh yeah.
Oh,
What's that?
No! Why?
I don't know, do I want to be mean?
No.
Yeah.
Ow! I shocked myself.
You beat us like crazy last time, remember?
Yeah, but that we didn't have that on recording. So.
Don't take my people.
No, I'm not taking yours. I can take this green one,
Dad, I'll build an alliance with you.
though.
I won't trade from you.
I think you should take bicycle back.
No, I don't want. That'd really be mean. Is he a guy?
Yeah.
Are they all guys?
No, the one in the middle isn't.
That's a girl.
Oh,
Yep.
Yeah, you should take the
Then
girl.
Because
I'll
then,
take the girl.
because then you can get more points for having a girl in the front.
Yeah,
Stupid white shirt.
To go.
White shirts aren't worth anything.
I don't need them.
Well,
Poipo.
then pass it.
Is it Poipo?
That was like the complete opposite.
Totally.
Ha! Now he has to clear a row, which he actually did.
Wow.
I didn't even see. Who do we have today?
AI.
Who was it?
Yeah.
That's his name.
We had I.
I capping.
Don't get caught without a spotlight.
Oh,
Why does it all seem bad?
these are all bad.
Why do we keep on getting repeat mini games?
Exactly.
That's my question.
Are we all going? Are we playing?
Yeah. Disco!
I wasn't ready. Why'd we start so fast? Wasn't even ready. Stupid Kane.
Mom's having fun. No! Disco!
So close.
Well, she's not even moving.
Oh, come on!
Oh, that should work for her though.
Oh, man. I like how I just walked away. Yeah, you did.
I don't think the AI should ever win.
What?
Well, why else do we play with the AI?
When there's no other choice.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, it would mess up a lot of the. Holy crap!
Yay!
You should have gotten rid of her yellow. Even though you could. Why would it even be a point?
Ooh, what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? Get a whitey.
Get rid of the white shirt. Might as well make it look a little bit more complete.
I'm gonna take the red.
Red, red.
Where this guy is.
Oh, and then they all arrange themselves.
One to go!
They do that?
Yeah.
You never noticed that,
Have you
Dad?
not noticed that? Seriously?
They've done that a lot.
Oh, they
In the
done that
times-
for me.
Not in this recording, but in times we played this game.
Uh,
One time you
yeah.
you didn't want it to be platinum.
Ugh.
That looks terrible, man. Throwing away a platinum.
Ooh, wild.
Wild.
Come on, jackhammer.
Microsoft Sam.
Oh,
You don't don't like any of the games.
Why do we keep on getting repeat mini games?
I just hate the ones where I have to move.
Start.
Oh, you don't worry, I missed. We don't really move. You kind of just move in a straight line for the way you're pointing. Rocket!
Rockets blow up.
Final destination. I made that. What?
5, 4, 3,
Okay.
2,
Dad.
finish.
I did that. Oh, we tied.
There's an asteroid coming for me! Get one!
Wow.
Oh my god! The asteroid crashed into me.
I did horrible. Oh, we tied. Oh,
I went for shaky last that time.
this game is
Ooh, ow.
stupid.
That hurt my chest.
Ooh, right?
Yeah. Get leaning into it. How'd you
Well, yeah, you
know?
think?
Be crazy not to.
exactly.
Give me that green. Wilds are self-explanatory. Trade me's. Most of these are self-explanatory. Most of the me's types. Like, I mean, you can probably guess what a trade me does and what a wild me does. So. Except for platinum. You can't get platinums in.
Blue.
Red, red.
Well, you might as well put them up there with your. Get rid of the platinum guy and have an extra. You never know.
Oh, they switched.
Why'd they switch? Oh,
All girls.
Yep. Look at that. They were smart.
Is it my turn?
Please don't be something good.
No blue.
Yeah, I know. Would this make you
No
feel bad
blue.
if this was
No
blue?
blue. No blue. No blue.
Oh!
Yes!
Yeah, I don't have any blues, so I get to stay out of this
You want a
unscathed.
boy.
There
They're
is no
both
blue
girls.
boys.
No, you need a boy.
Yep.
That's
This is
okay.
this is anarchy.
Yes!
This is Anna-archy. If we were playing up against Anna, that would be a good joke. One to go in boys. So let me get points at the end. If you
Boys!
one to go or you make them my color.
Oh my
yeah,
gosh,
I
everybody's getting bonus
I
points.
forgot that was some points that you could get.
You made it so I can't even get points now.
We'll check the scoring next round.
Oh, look at all the
Platinums! Woohoo, that trade me is looking mighty nice!
Oh, no way.
It's gonna be luck based. No, actually.
Oh, Mark is so good at this one.
Oh,
No, I'm the one who got exact one time.
Oh, yeah.
Not in recording, but
Start. Finish.
Ooh.
yes!
Ah, you did it again.
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe you got platinum.
Except now I become a big target. Wait, who do I got? I got everything. It doesn't matter. I'll take you. You're in the lead.
One to
So-
go.
That's my reason I'm targeting you, Dad.
Bernie!
It's because you're in the lead.
Sorry. No! Look at that!
There you go, Mom. It worked out for you.
Aye.
She cleared a whole row. Got all yellows.
Great.
Great.
Oh, there you go. You want to clear?
Clear?
Clear.
Clear?
Oh!
We haven't done that
I might
forever.
need to stand up for this one. Actually, no, I won't. Remember, do it. Do it slowly.
Slowly.
Chip in as many golf balls as you can is the rules.
Slowly.
Oops.
What's going on?
There you go. You gotta do it, Mom, slower.
Well, I was, and then it wasn't going. See, look.
I'm a little bit busy. The viewers. The viewers.
I can't even hit the ball. What the heck?
Finish.
Viewers, if you can. I don't know why I'm calling everybody viewers now. If you can explain that
I
how to
think
do that
mine
one
was
well.
broken.
Do you have a Wii Motion Plus? Because I could.
If you don't have it, she has it.
I have it.
No.
That's a good question. Why did I ask?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Oh, wait. Well, it's my turn.
Of course it is. Ah, you got another platinum.
Well, I might as well put that one there. Oh, look at that. It was even
Oh.
male. If this is yellow, I'm
Is this one clear? Oh, hey, look, I can go blue.
once you go blue, you never. Oh, I didn't check the scoring. Okay, Mom, can you hold down minus so the viewers can see the scoring? Just
If I knew what the minus was,
To go.
it's the minus button. The minus button on the controller.
Ooh, look at
There.
that.
You let them get a good look at that.
One color. So if they're all the same, I get 4 bonus points?
Yep. All right, Mom, you're good.
alright.
You get clear?
Well, yeah.
Wait,
You don't have to.
wait, what's going on over here? Whoa! You gonna clear out the bottom row? 'Cause
Bro,
we
don't.
got-
Careful.
Top.
No, you don't want to clear up the top row.
Why would I want to clear up the top row?
Oh, I thought that was the bottom row. You consider that the top row?
Yeah.
Platinum!
Jeez.
It's
What's
the
with the platinums
platinum
this time?
game! Zombies?
Ah.
Well, that guy doesn't have a
That's
face.
bicycle! That isn't it? It's bicycle.
Now everybody, let me win.
How about you go say hi to our buddy Hans over here? We're having a sale! Even though he doesn't look like Hans. Stay down there.
That's you guys, not me.
Dang it!
Finish.
Dang it! Yes! I didn't know where to, I should have gone down.
I am the zombie champion!
Okay, Queen.
I sounded just like him.
You did. That was amazing.
Mamma mia, copyright, copyright.
Oh, I
Because
Oh, what am I gonna take?
the platinum doesn't really get you anything.
I'm gonna try her.
Too bad. So sad.
Oh, that's
All that for nothing.
I'm gonna let Seth get the button.
Going for it. Oh, yes.
Of course he is. Why wouldn't he?
And
You need
even
to get rid of your platinum so he doesn't steal it from you.
Oh, yeah.
watch, it's gonna be a trade me on the right.
Oh, Dad could get a purple though.
No. Well, like, he might as well replace it.
You could have 4 blues.
He might as well
True.
replace the green. You never
Right.
know, it might... Oh, I was gonna say, it might organize it so it's...
Oh, but he just won.
What were we doing? How many people are... The viewers are screaming at us, like... Man, you
I
need
guess I should have taken the red.
I don't care, I still got my one to go platinum
That
and
was
boys.
hilarious.
I still got a bunch of points out of that. I could have gotten more, but
Oh, AI is in the lead.
the AI,
Oh my gosh. Who did that?
Ooh. Ooh, both of those. If I at least get second, I'll be fine with this.
No, you're
The
not.
presents are piling up, don't let them topple over.
I'm waiting for one time when you say yay.
Luck-based for the game is when she's gonna say yay.
Oh, okay.
Start.
Someone drew a swish.
It's so
That's a good joke for an obscure. Oh. Captain Falcon, why are you on a bicycle? Should be in your car. Racing. Oh, what was I doing?
Watching my stuff fall.
No, I don't know who won between me and I.
Ooh, you're shifty as a cucumber.
What the heck? Where did that come from?
She just face.
I don't know.
I love how she just face
That made me a little
palms.
uncomfortable.
She just face palms.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh,
Purple.
Yep, I think I can use that purple
I
girl.
think you need the purple girl.
I need the red. It doesn't matter.
Oh my gosh, you got
I know.
your one to go already.
One to go.
Okay, wow.
Wild.
Except for platinum. inside joke between us three.
Good luck. See, look at that. We all rolled good.
Hey, you want to clear?
Clear my back row.
Hey, Chris! It was Chris
I have to click
from
my
our
mic.
failed recording. Oh no, our recording's
Oh,
gonna.
I missed the game.
It's the comment.
Start.
Dad, I found Dad's perfect game.
Uh-oh, what's going on?
Our recording decided, hey, there's something going on in the back. Oh wait, it's fixed. I'm busy.
How'd you do that without looking?
I don't know. You just kind of keep it in a
Follow the
rhythm.
rhythm, I guess.
All right, I gotta make sure this is it. All right. Computer decided, hey, yeah, you like. Okay, I think it's fixed. Minor hiccup.
Oh, you were so close.
Finish.
Viewers, we're sorry for the
Hey.
minor
I got
hiccup.
third. Oh,
It
thank
made
goodness.
the minigame kind of terrifying for a second.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, none of that I can use. Oh, you got a creepy girl in the middle, top middle. I'm gonna keep an eye. I might have been doing that earlier. I don't know. I'm gonna keep an eye on the recording now because now it seems like a perfect time to do that.
Oh,
I
excuse
think
me.
it's your turn, is that?
Pardon.
No, it's Dad's.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm sorry.
Fun.
Let's
Well, I'm
see.
gonna be over here.
What should I do?
I need to do a system update on the software, man. It's not up to date by a lot. I'm still using the current version that I did in the first videos, like back in like Mario Party 2.
No.
Oh, good thing I didn't need that. Mom needed that.
No, I don't want what's his name to steal it from me, so I'm getting rid of it.
That's a good idea.
A lot of good that did me.
I thought you were gonna clear the room.
No, I decided not to.
So none of that I could
I'm
have
gonna
used.
clear the room.
Wait, he
You're
might
not gonna clear. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna give him a waste of a. No, you're gonna have one to go.
One to go.
Use it.
Nope.
Shield. Use it.
It really wants us to clear out some road. Oh, come on! Someone was climbing up the rope!
Somebody walk into that.
Somebody walked in.
I don't think any of these are my game.
And save it. First time I got one of these.
Hey, I might get some points this time.
I wasn't.
Oh, games. Just keep going. Oh, hold on.
Me.
We'll give it a little bit.
Yeah,
I've
let's
got
let it
a
get
bunch. Oh,
Does the sound not?
That's. Let me. Sorry, viewers. Sit tight.
it needs.
Sit back while we. Whatever you want to do. It's a little bit later than we meant to be right now. Than what I'm usually doing. Pressed for time anyway.
You're right. One.
No, you didn't.
I didn't win that one?
No!
You watched the wrong one!
You're watching Blue!
I wondered when you said booyah like you won. I was
Yeah, I
like,
thought I... Not my bad. There we go.
Trade.
So if you guys that is because it could just be a game capture.
I don't. Sorry.
Oh. Hello guys, I'm
One to go.
One, two.
One to go.
oh. Think about the maybe. Tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow.
Start.
This one's fun.
Shot.
Finish.
I think it was. God, this is gonna be a long video.
They didn't even get a play.
Uh-oh.
platinum
Oh, I
blonde.
didn't.
Start. One to go. One to go. Start. One to go.
Yeah, it's funny.
Kicker. Aww.
Arch!
What
Is
if
it
this
orange?
one? No, it's
Or
yellow.
is it yellow?
I think it's yellow.
What if this one's yellow? I'll laugh so hard.
I
I mean, it's not like I could have done anything anyways.
Exactly. There was two there.
That's true.
Yeah.
Sorry, the record
I can play.
issues. We've had forever. Amount of times we've had technical issues.
24 on.
I haven't won a single. How ironic! It's starting to kind of fix itself at the very. Next time. Okay.